In this video, we're going to take a look at the Sites feature within SaferMe. First, let's look at how to create a site. On the Sites page, select Add Site. Enter in the site details like the name, a job number, assign it to a site manager. This must be a person who has admin or manager status within the account. Enter their contact details and declare that you are happy for this information to be available for anyone scanning in through the site QR code. Use the site information box to enter in any additional instructions. Once the site has been created, those with an account can sign in through the Sites page. At the bottom of the site details, you can add additional information like a location, such as the nearest hospital, or you can add personnel details like the first aider. When all the site information has been added, you can click the download button at the top of the page to download a copy of the QR code to display on your site. When a worker scans the QR code, they will be presented with the sign-in page. They can register their details by adding in their name, phone, company name, and selecting that they are happy to share this information with the owner of the site. After signing on to the site, a verification code will be sent to the worker via text. Regardless of whether or not they have completed the verification step, the worker is still signed in. They can click Site Details to access the information we entered previously, like the nearest hospital and the first aider on site. This site has a button to complete a site induction. If you'd like to attach a site induction form to your QR code, please reach out to our support team who can help you enable this feature. Linking an induction to the QR code does require you to have the Web Forms or QR Codes add-on in your subscription. Once completed, the report will appear in SaferMe for admins and managers to review. At the end of the workday, the worker can scan the QR code again and click Sign Out. Their details will be saved to the device for next time, so they can sign in with the click of a button. Workers can only be signed in to one site at a time. For admins and managers on the dashboard page, they will see a Sites tab which will allow them to flick between active and inactive sites. Active sites are sites that currently have people signed onto them. Inactive sites have everyone signed out. If at the end of the workday someone has forgotten to sign out, select their name and sign them out on their behalf. You can also use the Filters button to search for a particular sign-in record or view all historic sign-in records and download these to an Excel file. Back on the Sites page, you'll see any reports that have been associated with that site that are new or unresolved. This means they've come into the system and haven't changed status and no tasks have been assigned. We can click on this report, select the Manage tab, and change the status to the state that reflects that it has been resolved. The report will remain in the system but will no longer show up in the new and unresolved tags on the site. You can find this report by coming to the Reports page, searching Filters, and selecting the site name.